Hi, my name is Jacob Keeley, and I'm the Educational Director for Access USA and the Director of Model United Nations. This week, last week, and the week previous, I am hosting a leadership and public presentation program at SSVM schools, including SSVM World School, Excellence, and Metapolium. And I am working with the 9th grade students, all from the boarding and day schools across all 3 schools, to teach them about global leadership and public presentation in the modern era. And what I can say about SSVM schools is that they are the most wonderful institution I have the pleasure of working with here in India. Their students are absolutely fantastic. They are engaged in class every day. You can expect them to show up with a smile and ready to go, ready to engage and learn something new each day. So my favorite thing about students from SSVM is that they are here to work hard and they are here to learn something for the sake of learning. Every kid is kind, every kid is well tenured, they're well mannered, and they are ready to go when they show up. And the institution here has been fantastic. The staff has been wonderful to me in helping me be able to manage classes with such large cohorts and making sure it is done in a reasonable manner and a manner that is easy for the kids to learn and grow to the best of their abilities. So every day when I show up, I can trust that students are going to get the very best experience, and so will I. So thank you very, very much to the staff and the administration at SSVM, and very much to the students. I hope for a long and fruitful partnership, and Access USA is really hoping to look to continue to sign up students and give students the opportunity to learn and grow continuously in the evenings with our online courses and with more in-person sessions. And as the Director of Model UN, I hope that in December I will be back to run the next Model UN Regional in Coimbatore for all the wonderful SSVM students. Thank you again. This is Jacob Keeley signing off.
Hello. My name is Dr. Ben Peterson, and I'm honored to be here at SSVM. I am a professor at Alma College, and I'm here working with Access USA, teaching a class workshop to the students on research and writing. It's been really fantastic to work with them. They're also bright and engaged. They have a lot of really wonderful ideas. I'm often really amazed by some of the things that they come up with, and it's just been a really great experience. The campus has been beautiful. We've had a wonderful time getting to know people here and working with them. It has been a real honor to be a part of this, and I think it's of great value in providing us with an opportunity to work across 2 different sort of educational cultures and give the students sort of access to both of those traditions. So it really is something that I value quite a bit. The nonprofit we work with, Access USA, helps students in India particularly to access American education. And I think they do some really great work with that. But the primary thing for me has just been that I've gotten to work with some really great students. And that has been a real profound and personal honor to me.
Hi, I'm Luke. I'm a teacher from Detroit, Michigan. I am honored to have been invited here to SSVM. The main thing I love about SSVM is the eagerness of the students to learn and their engagement. Here I'm teaching autobiographical writing and specifically helping the students write their own personal statements, which I hope will set them up for success when they go off to college in the future.
Hi, my name is Mel Kumar, and I've been attending this Access USA program for a good couple of weeks now. And I feel like it hasn't just affected me academically, but also personally. For starters, I learned about the basic structure of research writing. I learned that I can't just take any text from the internet and call it my own. I have to do something called a citation, or else my entire paper would have been a product of plagiarism. I learned about arguments, counter-arguments, and an effective way in which I can put forward my claim and support my claim with evidence and analysis. Dr. Peterson also explained the importance of a research question and how it plays a pivotal role in deciding whether my paper is good or bad. And my personal favorite is the way they pushed me to write outside the box. In other words, to write creatively. Because in research writing, it's not the content that's the primary goal. It's the way you deliver your content to your reader that truly matters. Finally, I'd like to thank Dr. Peterson for coming all the way from the United States of America to carry out this fruitful session. Thank you, sir. It's truly been a memorable journey.
Namaste everyone. I am Pico of grade 9 and I've been attending the Access USA program for the last 2 weeks. And in this duration, we've got a lot of hands-on interactive sessions with Mr. Jacob and Miss Han. We learned about leadership, teamwork and communication. At the very beginning of the session, we thought it was all about active listening and public speaking, but we were wrong. We also learned about human ethics, morality and culpability. And this program provides a platform for students to become great leaders. And the part which I liked the most was where we would choose a problem and find the solution ourselves as great leaders. And I would love to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the school management for providing us with this amazing opportunity. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Mura of grade 10 A1. Well, the program I recently attended of Access USA was really interesting. Usually we have topics like leadership and other qualities, but this time it was unique, filmmaking. We learned many different camera angles, aperture and focal length. This enhanced our creativity and our imaginations flew high. Well, this program is really useful for our profile building and for the ones who want to pursue film or theatre in their future. Well, thank you for your support, Mr. Xavier and Mr. Uday Mishra. It was a really great experience with you guys.
Hey everyone, this is Hashita from grade 11. I found the Access USA classes to be highly interactive and deeply insightful. I sincerely thank Mr. Luke for his warmth, energy and encouragement throughout the sessions. He not only helped us write our personal statements but also helped us discover and express ourselves with greater clarity. The overall session was very enlightening and enriching. It truly brought out the best from each and every one of us. The session gave us a clearer understanding of our future aspirations and helped us translate them meaningfully into words. I therefore sincerely thank the management for providing us with such a wonderful and knowledgeable experience. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nakshhatra from 9A1, and I start by saying my heartfelt thanks to SSVM management for introducing us on the leadership course Access USA. Access USA has been very helpful to each and every student here, and especially me, as it helps us bring out the unacknowledged leaders within us. On the day one of the classes, we got introduced to Jacob Keeley and Hannah, and they gave the most positive vibes. And every time we had to attend these classes, we were more than happy to be present there. And I finally say that I'm very lucky to be in SSVM and that I'm very lucky to be a part of this leadership program. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, I'm Shri from grade 10 B1. The Access USA classes began for us before a few weeks. We sincerely appreciate the outstanding teaching guidance, technical skills and natural creativity we the students mastered in all the fields of filmmaking like sequencing the shots, editing and etc. Your commitment for next generation made a significant impact in our students. Your support and constructive reflections motivated our students to push their boundaries in the field of filmmaking. We thank the management for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shinika from grade 9 C1, here to share my experience about Access USA Leadership Program. Actually, Access USA is a program that develops every student individual's leadership qualities, communicative skills and team efficiency. So far, it has given us a great platform for learning these skills in a way that is of everyone's interest. The interactive sessions with Mr. Jacob Keeley have provided us a lots of insights in a practical and team-based manner. The engaging activities in these sessions encourages us to stay on in the program. I would like to thank the SSVM management for providing this great opportunity.
Hi everyone, I'm Aratna from 9C1 and here is my experience on the leadership program Access USA. During the first session, we students thought it was all about lectures, speeches and we taking notes, but Mr. Jacob Keeley proved us wrong by showing us that it was beyond that. It was all about leadership and public speaking skills without any fear and by projecting our voice. Access USA gave us the push that we needed to take this world on. Leadership and public speaking skills are essential in the current world and Access USA taught us just that with fun games, interactive sessions and a side of lectures. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to the SSVM management for giving us this golden opportunity. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Gujat of grade 9. I feel at public speaking the most, but this Leadership Access USA program has given me a breakthrough. SSVM focuses on making us good and capable leaders, and the efforts are not in vain. We are fine-tuned by this hard-working team. All the activities that we do during the lectures are always fun and engaging. I thank the management and the Access USA team for giving us such a wonderful experience.
Namaste, I am Mithilesh of grade 10. Access USA has offered us a course on filmmaking. This is by far the best program I've ever attended. We've had great fun in our workshop and lectures. I thought filmmaking was just taking a camera and shooting something, but after attending this course, I've got to know that there's more to filmmaking. SSVM always focuses on nurturing the students' capability. In that way, this was an apt program. I thank the management and a special mention to our respected correspondent managing trustee, Dr. Manimekalai Mohan, without whom none of this would have been possible. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, everybody.
Hi, everyone. I'm Klayana from grade 11. This Access USA program about writing personal statements has been really valuable for me and my friends. Each and every session was productive and engaging, helping us grow both personally and also academically. The most impactful aspects of this program was writing personal statements in a professional and formal manner, a skill that would definitely help us in our college applications. It has also made me reflect on myself and understand my strengths better and also express my thoughts clearly. It has also enhanced my writing skills and encouraged me to revisit some of the most meaningful moments and life-changing experience in my life. Overall, this was an enriching journey and I thank the school for this great opportunity.
Hello everyone, I'm Divyadashini from grade 11. Over the past 3 weeks in the Access USA program, one of the most valuable parts for me was working on our personal statement. We didn't just write a draft, we really learned how to put it on our experiences, strengths and goals and how to turn it into a compelling story. It also showed me how important it is to do our homework, not just academically but also thinking deeply on how we are and what you want to communicate. A very big thanks to Mr. Luke, who was incredibly helpful and guided us through every aspects we needed. This program has been both eye-opening and empowering to one and all of us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Ryansh of class 11 and I was among the fortunate ones who got to attend the Access USA program. Before I got to know about the program, I thought it would be really difficult for school students like me, but after I started attending the sessions, it felt completely different. The way the professors taught us, being it the interactive class sessions or group lectures, it completely changed my point of view towards the workshop. I got to learn a lot new things, the main part being how to write personal statements which would help me to get into universities. And I also got to learn the importance of doing homeworks on time. With the knowledge gained during the program, I'm now a lot more confident in presenting and expressing myself. So, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our correspondent ma'am, Dr. Manimekalai Mohan, and our trustee, Shri S. Mohan Das, for taking this initiative for organizing this wonderful program. Your unwavering support has always helped us. Thank you.